So you're just getting into handguns, maybe picked up a few rounds at the range, maybe not even that. And now every gun nerd you know is throwing specs, calibers, recoil, and gun versus range arguments at you like it's gospel. Let's slow that down. If you're new to pistols, you don't need something fancy. You need something that feels right in your hand, won't punish you for learning, and won't send you home wondering if you made a mistake. And here's the twist. A lot of popular guns out there, way too snappy, way too complicated, and frankly, not worth your time. Today, we're cutting through the nonsense. These are the best 9mm pistols for new shooters in 2025. Easy to shoot, easy to trust, and yes sirree, still fun as hell to train with. Now let's get to it. The SICK P365 is the ultimate concealable 9mm, not just on this list, but in the entire market, since its production has been making waves on the market, catering to the needs of various shooters. Whether for daily training, everyday carry, duty use, or lifetime sidearm, the P365 is more than capable for the task. The 6-hour P365 revolutionized concealed carry with its micro-compact size and high capacity. Despite its small frame, it holds 10, 12, or even 15 rounds with extended magazines, making it one of the most efficient carry guns available today. The ergonomic grip and crisp trigger help mitigate recoil, which is surprisingly tame for such a small pistol. As a beginner, you'll appreciate the P365's intuitive controls and smooth operation. The optional optics-ready models like the P365 Romeo Zero allow for red dot mounting, further enhancing accuracy. Just to be clear, the P365 has a full-blown lineup of exceptional pistols. Whatever you're looking for, the series has a model suitable for that, and all you have to do is find the right one for yourself. Prices range from $500 to $650 depending on the configuration, but the versatility and shootability justify the cost. That's not even so high a price to pay for a pistol that's so damn near perfecto. If you're a beginner looking for something less dramatic, then I'm glad to let you know that the M&P Shield Easy is designed for ease. If racking the slide on a semi-auto has ever been a struggle for you, the M&P 9 Shield Easy is your solution. It's really one of the guns I suggest you have as part of your collection. Built specifically for shooters who need a little extra help, this pistol features an easy-to-rack slide, a light trigger pull, and a grip safety for added security. The best part is the M&P 9 Shield Easy is suitable for beginners as well as every other person that struggles to keep a firm hold on a handgun for various reasons. The 8+1 capacity keeps it slim and concealable, while the textured grip ensures control even with sweaty hands. The Easy's low recoil makes follow-up shots effortless, and the included wide dot sights provide a clear side picture. It's also one of the most affordable options on this list, typically priced at $450 to $550. This makes it a fantastic value for new shooters or those with weaker hand strength. Rest assured, accuracy, reliability, and quality performance are all guaranteed. For those with smaller hands, whether male or female, you want a slim, concealable 9mm that's easy to shoot. The XDS Mod 2 is a strong contender in that category. The single stack design keeps it ultra thin, just about 0.9 inches wide, yet the grip texture and ergonomics make it comfortable to handle. The passive grip safety adds an extra layer of security without complicating operation. If you're one who's very conscious of personal safety, which I think every beginner should be, you might be able to pay more attention to this one. Compact guns like this are often snappier to shoot than full-sized options, but thankfully, the recoil on this one is manageable despite its small size. It's got a lower capacity, being equipped with just 7 or 9 round capacity with an extended mag, but it's still decent. The price for the Springfield Armory XDS Mod 2 9mm ranges from $450 to $550, making it a solid and affordable choice for new shooters who prioritize safety, ease of use, and efficiency. It's also very accurate, reliable, and practical. It's almost impossible to watch a gun review like this one without hearing the Glock name. Glock hasn't just built a brand, but a community of happy shooters, and I'm sure you'd love that, especially if you aren't already a part of a community. If you asked me, I'd say a Glock could be the gold standard for beginners, and here's why. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS is the perfect blend of versatility and simplicity, making it an ideal first pistol. Its compact size fits most hands comfortably, and the modular optic system allows for easy red dot sight mounting, which is great for new shooters who want to improve accuracy without struggling with iron sights. The Gen 5 upgrades include an improved trigger, ambidextrous slide stomp, and a flared magwell for smoother reloads. Recoil is mild for a 9mm thanks to Glock's balanced design, and the grip texture ensures a secure hold. It's got a 15-round capacity and legendary reliability. Beyond training, this pistol is suited for home defense, concealed carry, and some time out on the range. The Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS retails around $650 to $750, which is a fair price for a gun that'll last you a lifetime. If you've got the cash, you should definitely try it out. If you're a bit too short to purchase a Glock, but still want something Glockish, then here's your chance to get this budget-friendly Glock alternative, the Palmetto State Armory Dagger. If you want that Glock-like reliability without the Glock price tag, the PSA Dagger is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for learning the ropes and getting around to become a good marksman. This polymer-framed striker-fired pistol is compatible with many Glock 19 Gen 3 parts, meaning accessories and upgrades are plentiful. The ergonomic grip is more comfortable than a standard Glock, and the optics-ready slide allows for easy red dot installation, and that will aid you in your learning process. You know recoil's a big deal for beginners, but you don't really have to worry about that with this gun because the recoil is manageable and the trigger is decent out of the box, quite better than some budget pistols, I might add. With a 15-round capacity, it also provides maximum firepower. With a price tag of just $300 to $400, the Dagger is one of the best entry-level 9mm pistols in 2025. If you'd prefer a full metal handgun, the CZ75 is the perfect option to roll with. Its all-steel construction absorbs recoil effortlessly, and the low bore axis keeps muzzle flip minimal. This won't only serve as a training tool, but when you're done perfecting all those techniques, you'd be well armed with the best self-defense pistol out there. One of the great features of the CZ75 is the ergonomic grip, which fits most hands naturally, and the single-action, double-action trigger provides flexibility in shooting style. While slightly heavier than polymer pistols, the CZ75's smooth operation makes it an excellent choice for range training. While there are many polymer handguns that are very good options for shooting, I like to recommend training with metal pistols as well. I believe if you're going to be shooting for a long time, you don't want the material of a handgun to be a hindrance to how well you shoot. So it helps to be well-rounded. The CZ75 holds 15 rounds and is priced around $550 to $700 depending on the variant. If you want a pistol that feels like an extension of your hand, this is it. While the Walther PDP is a full-size pistol and some think that it could be a bit difficult for beginners to handle for training, it actually isn't. Not only is it one of the best pistols on the market, it's also suitable for beginners because it offers impressive performance and checks the practicality box. The Walther PDP is renowned for its out-of-the-box trigger, which is crisp, light, and perfect for new shooters. It does have a compact model which performs just as good, but I say you go big. The full-sized model features an aggressive grip texture, superb ergonomics. The full-sized model features an aggressive grip texture, superb ergonomics, and an optics-ready slide, making it a great all-around pistol. Interestingly, its recoil is well controlled, all thanks to the balanced design and the high 18-round capacity, which ensures you spend less time loading and more time actually shooting. The Walther PDP costs between $600 and $750, a fair price if you ask me. When we talk about some of the best-in-class pistols for any skill set, the Canon TP9 SF Elite is a good fit for the category. More importantly, it works exceptionally well in the hands of beginners as it's engineered to deliver minimal recoil, which is essential to help beginners train properly. The Canon TP9 SF Elite delivers premium features at a budget price. Its trigger is one of the best in its class, light, crisp, and with a short reset, making it ideal for beginners learning the proper trigger control. The ergonomic grip and low recoil enhance shootability, while the 15-round capacity ensure ample firepower. At just $350 to $450, the TP9 SF Elite is a steal, offering reliability and performance that compete with the more expensive models. One thing that I really find appealing about Canon pistols is that they come equipped with almost everything you'll ever need right out of the box, and even at that, they're still very affordable. There's no shame in starting simple. In fact, it's smart. Most of the folks I've seen struggle with shooting, they pick the wrong gun from the start. Too much recoil, bad ergos, or just plain unreliable. But if you start with something clean, controllable, and confidence building, like the ones we've just covered, you're already miles ahead of the average guy at the range. Whether you're training, carrying, or just trying to get better every week, these pistols won't let you down. That's it for now. I'm your boy Steve, and I'll catch you in the next one.